Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. First things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now looking at the box, you got a blue box with the Air Jordan International printed in gold on the outside. On the front of the box, you got the gold Jumpman plain on this side. So look, what we have is the Air Jordan 5 International Flight. The colorway is sail, racer blue, cone, and black. Now opening the box, they got this paper like that came on the other international flights, you know, with the Jumpman and the map and everything, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, man. That's a nice little touch. But here it is, the Air Jordan 5 International Flight. Now I'm gonna tell y'all, at first I wasn't feeling these, you know what I mean? But once I got them in hand, you know, then I saw them on feet. You know, I'm starting to change how I felt about them. You know, I passed judgment on them a little bit too quick. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't really feeling the design on the panel. You know what I mean? So it's growing on me, man. So looking at the shoe, man, you got the sail tumbled leather, nice quality. You got the translucent sole under the bottom with the black and the orange Jumpman. As you can see, you got the orange shark teeth with the speckles on the side. There it is. You can see that tumbled leather. On the back, black Jumpman. Inside of that tongue, you got that royal bluish, racer bluish, whatever it is. Now look at that. Look at that. And this is nice right there, man. I'm feeling this leather, man. Now looking at the other shoe, there's no difference between the two. You know, I did see them on a smaller foot earlier today. You know, I got big feet, man, you know, so what? Man, we got a little blemish on these, man. What's happening with that, man? But anyway, it is what it is, man. Now on the inside, you got the blue insole with the International Flight, the world logo on the inside. You couldn't see it, but you know what's happening. Man, like I say, man, I think it's a dope shoe. I'm feeling it. You know what I'm saying? I passed judgment on these a little bit too early, man. I think they're kind of dope. You know, I'm feeling them. I'm liking the quality of this leather that's on here, though, man. Here's a look at that pattern on the inside of the shoe. Now the pattern that's on the inside of the shoe and that's on the pattern, on the panel, drew inspiration from the Barcelona street art. So, and you saw just now they had the Air Jordan tag on the inside, upside down, typical of the fives. You know what I mean? So, but anyway, man, look, that was my quick little look at the Air Jordan 5 International Flights. I think they dope, man. I'm really feeling these sail laces too, man. That's nice. There's your Jumpman with your 3M. It is what it is, man. But like I say, man, that was my look at the Air Jordan 5 International Flight. I passed judgment on these a little bit too early, man. I think I'm gonna have to take that back. I think they kind of dope, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, man. Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazar504. When you get a chance, man, go ahead and check out the website, you know what I mean? And stay tuned for the next video. I'ma holler back.